Good morning. I've got a little DIY project that I'm doing and I wanted to share it with you. I saw some other people on YouTube that did this same thing, and I think it's really going to make sitting at the dinette a whole lot better. As you can see, this kind of sinks down. Of course, I'm on a cushioned seat as it is, but if this was on the dinette on that piece of plywood, I would almost be touching the plywood. Now, I'm not a small guy, so my weight has a lot to do with that. But I sit often at the dinette and work on the computer, and for long periods of time, it's very uncomfortable sitting where you feel like you're sitting flat on the plywood. I'll show you the seat, and we've got two of these. And what I did is I ordered a different cushion for these. I'll show you inside here. It has this yellow foam, which is not terrible, but it's not very solid. What I ordered, what I actually got, is from the foam factory. I'll put a description in the, I'll put a link. I will put a link in the description below. This is actually a blue foam, and it's wrapped in Dacron. I had the foam factory cut it to size and wrap it to send it to me. It was cheaper than me buying the large pieces, cutting it myself, and then putting it, wrapping the Dacron around it and gluing it to it myself. But what I did was I measured the width and the depth and the length of the entire cushion, because I thought it was all one piece. It turns out it was not all one piece. It was two pieces, one bigger and one small, because inside of the cushion, and I'll show it to you if I can. This is the one that I haven't worked on yet. You look in there, you can see there's a zipper right here. And that's where the front cushion goes, the front piece of the cushion. So we had to cut and modify to fit a small piece in and then the larger piece, which did not turn out as bad as I thought it would. And I'll show you rather quickly, hopefully. This is a new cushion that's already been done. And you will notice that I can get up here. This is not sinking, and it's very solid. It's not too firm that it wouldn't be comfortable. It is comfortable, and it's a lot better than sitting on the plywood. So I'll put the link below of what I got. I won't put the measurements because everybody's measurements are going to be different. I would suggest that you take your old ones, at least one of them, completely apart. Make sure you get your measurements correct, and then you can contact the foam factory and they will cut it, wrap it, send it to you. Now, if you've got a big project and big seats, you've got more than just 2 dinette seats, it might be worth your while to order the materials and then do it yourself. I did find when cutting it, I used an electric knife, They cut through it very well. You just had to make sure that you're cutting straight. And when it goes through, this is 5 inches thick, that you're not cutting at an angle one way or the other. Thank you and have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified next time we have videos coming out. Leave your comments below and be sure to smash that like button. Thank you. Have a great day.